Hey guys, welcome back to J&J Adventures. I am going to show you guys the fireworks that I got. Um, so, um, the reason why I'm doing this on the 3rd is because my mom has to work on Saturday, so she can't, because Saturday is 4th of July. She has to work. So, we're doing it on Friday. I bought mainly just like fountains and stuff because my nephew and nieces are coming over to the cookout Friday for the fireworks show. So I bought a lot of fountains and stuff for the kids. So I wanted to show you guys all the fireworks that I got. So we're gonna start with this one. Flashing fountains. This was only $1. So, those are really cool. Alright, I'll show you the second one I bought. Carousel. This was, same thing, $1. So, I don't know how long it lasts, but maybe 10-15 seconds. I got that one, and then I got this one. Crickets. It's a cricket fountain. It's gonna be really cool. I am gonna videotape the fireworks on the day on Friday, so. This one was $2.50. And then I got gold dust, whatever this is. This was $2.50. So it's gonna be exciting to get that. And then I got this one, Overboard. This one was $3. So this is gonna be really cool. Can't wait to, use it. And then I got this one, Chill Out. So this is another fountain. So this one, I'm excited to see what this one does. And then I got this one, Red Hot. I'm excited to see what this fountain is all about. I paid $2 for this. And then I got this one. Same thing, this was $2. This is Sunshine. So I'm excited to see what this does. And then I got this one, Orange Float. So I wonder what this one's all about. But that's what it shows, what it does. Then I got this one. This is the biggest one, so it's called Enigma. It's pretty heavy. It actually really is. It's really heavy. So I wonder what this does, but it's going to be pretty cool. And then I bought Sky Striker. And I'm excited for this one too. Just to tell you guys, I really love fountains. I like fountains. The fountains and Roman candles are my favorite fireworks. And then I got this one, Burning. There's another fountain. But that's what it looks like when it comes out. And then here comes the big ones. I got little one. This is what it looks like whenever you shoot it. And then, just those were $6 each. Then I got Desert Blitz. This one was $7.70. And then I got this one, Pistol Pete. This one was $4. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Then I got this one, Half Pint. This one was $6. This is what it looks like when it comes out. Here comes the big boys. Then I got this one, Eagle Fountain. This one was $12. So I'm excited to shoot this one. This is what it looks like when it comes out. And then another big boy. This is the last one. This one's called Fat Cat. This one was same thing, $12. So I'm excited to do this one. I like to see what it does. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Alright guys, well, that's all I got. So if you have any questions or concerns, please put it in the comments below. I'll read all comments. Let's give this 3 likes and hit that subscribe button. I'm on the road to 200 subs. Alright guys, peace out.